Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I have two Elliot structures that could be playing out. And before I give you my next price targets and also get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Vechain, after making its lower low at around the $0.015 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that right here I have this 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $0.02182 mark, and also completing a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside of this Elliot structure right here in yellow, before we started this corrective structure, fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2. And after seeing the formation of a second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 5. And we are seeing such a move over here, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, where I'm expecting the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. But in this video I want to change scenarios, because there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is not impulsive anymore. And the reason as to why I'm saying this might not be impulsive anymore is because you can see that Vechain has lost the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure right here, meaning that whatever we are seeing over here is not impulsive anymore, and we are not pushing even higher in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. And that's the reason as to why I suggested a different Elliot wave count here on the Vechain chart, where I'm terming this whole structure right here, making its peak at around the $0.02685 mark, as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. And that target area is between the $0.02107 mark and the $0.01973 mark, and it is within this yellow target area that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And once that happens, then that will be another perfect entry into Vechain, so that we can be able to ride another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then push even higher in the formation of this wave 5. And for this move to also play out, we need to continue holding below the 20-day MA, which we have done here on the Vechain chart, that is on the 4-hour chart. We have also lost a key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark, which is now acting as resistance, fully supporting that we might continue pushing even lower to get back into this yellow target area, fully maximize it before we can start a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And initially here on the charts, I was following this Elliot wave structure right here in, maybe I can change the color to yellow so that you can see it better, as a different Elliot wave count, having that as the first wave. Then we retraced in the formation of that wave 2, and I believe whatever we were seeing over here was the start of that wave 3. But upon losing the wave 1 high and also losing the key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark, also losing the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, that has made me to change scenarios to this different Elliot wave count over here, because whatever we are seeing over here is not an impulsive wave anymore in what we could expect in the formation of this wave 3. So I think this is the new Elliot wave count that I want us to continue using here on the Vechain chart, where I'm expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximize our yellow target area, then from there we can expect a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators structures before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 41 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower movements in the formation of that wave 2. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, but we are yet to see an increase in the selling momentum here on the MACD to fully support the formation of that second wave. And jumping to the daily charts to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, where you can see that Vechain, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, seeing an all-time high at around the $0.28 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, which is what I'm expecting here on the long-term scenarios, having the target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.46277 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.